Hello everyone, this is CS Divesh Goyal, practicing company secretary from Delhi. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the relaxation on the compliance burden under Companies Act due to COVID-19 under Atmanirbhar scheme. Our Honorable Finance Minister recently in her speech has given some points which are giving relaxation to the companies due to COVID-19. We can say this is a very timely move by the government to give relaxation to the corporates from the some compliances due to this COVID-19 situation. Like as per the latest provision, they have given some relaxation to the corporate, like first thing, decriminalization of the provision of the Companies Act. As we know, under many provisions, under many sections of the Companies Act, there are criminal penalties, criminal liabilities. So as per the recent speech of our Honorable Finance Minister under Atmanirbhar scheme, they have decriminalizing many defaults under Companies Act. Decriminalizing of the default involving minor technical and procedural violation, like just delaying, for an example, just delaying filing of a form. This is just a minor default, and this we can say is a procedural violation. So there is only civil liabilities for this type of default. There is no criminal liabilities. So this is a welcome move by the ministry on the same. They have made all non-compoundable offence Companies Act as a compoundable offence. So all the offences which was not compoundable was now compoundable under Companies Act. But along with that, they have given this power to the Registrar of Companies, internal adjudication mechanism for compounding of offence. Till now, for compounding, we were filing application with the regional director and National Company Law Tribunal. But now, if company make any default, as the offence will be compoundable offence, Registrar of Companies having power under, we can say, under mechanism of adjudication, internal mechanism of adjudication, to directly adjudicate the corporate for such offence under section 454. As per section 454, we have already published our complete full-fledged video on adjudication under 454. So this is the second, we can say, second relaxation given by the ministry to the companies. Third relaxation, as per the latest Atmanirbhar scheme, NCDs. If your NCDs are listed, then your company shall not be treated as a listed company for the purpose of the Companies Act. So only listing of NCD of a company shall not be treated as a listed company for the purpose of the Companies Act. Fourth relaxation, direct listing in the foreign destination. Now companies can direct listing in the foreign destination without complying with the other provision. Along with that, we know already ministry have given the relaxation to the companies, like for the provision of the board meeting, in the provision of the annual general meeting, in the provision of the extra general meeting. Even ministry have already extended due date of all the forms under Companies Act till 30th September without any additional fee. So these are the relaxation given by our finance minister under Atmanirbhar scheme to the corporates of India. So this is a very timely move by them. Second relaxation they have given in the IBC provision. Now they have given the some relaxation in the IBC, like no new IBC cases can be initiated up to 1 year. So this is the first relaxation. Up to next 1 year, no new IBC cases shall be initiated. Second relaxation, minimum limit of IBC would be rupees 1 crore. So they have increased the minimum limit under IBC up to 1 crore. Earlier this limit was 1 lakh. If there was default in payment of rupees 1 lakh, then still we could go to the NCLT for under IBC process. But now this limit of 1 lakh is increased up to 1 crore. And the other relaxation, they have given section 240A. Section 240A of IBC will be notified for MSME. This is a special insolvency resolution framework. So these are the relaxation they have given to the corporates under Companies Act and under IBC Act. So we can say they have given the so much of relaxation due to this COVID-19, and the best part, they have taken the timely move and they have given all the relaxation. Our complete write-up on such relaxation is published on our blog, that is www.csdiveshgoyal.info. For the regular updates on our videos and blogs, please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.